After install PySimpleGUI 5, use this package because it is not a free. You have to pay some money for this package. So now who are using a free this package, they are facing a big trouble. They cannot use this packages right now. As you can see my screen, if I use PySimpleGUI, run this, it's showing license key validation failed. If you want to package, you have to pay. Just click help option. Okay, here is, they mention everything. PySimpleGUI shutdown. We give it our best shot after 7 years of attempting to make a PySimpleGUI project sustainable. We are stopping PySimpleGUI project. So you can pay $99 and you can use this PySimpleGUI package. If you want to use this package free, I can show you a great way. This man make a GU library for free and forever. You can use like PySimpleGUI. Let me show you how to install these packages. Just you can copy this or write over your terminal. Go your terminal and write down this and you can show few minutes back I just installed this package. It's free. Okay, enter this. Okay, I already installed these packages. Then you have to just change something like free, free. Okay, now you have to write FreeSimpleGUI. Okay, you can see it is working now. So if you want to use this package, import FreeSimpleGUI package.